Yun. So it's the first time I'm gonna be doing this kind of video. Um, anyways, the 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 story I'm gonna tell you is about of course my passion, photography. So it all started when I was a kid. So parang I'm so amazed with the sound the way camera makes every time you click the shutter button. Parang siguro parang wow, iba yung parang excitement, especially during those days when and you can tell my age with it. Um, you have like a film, you have like 12 shots, you have to perfect each and every angle and shots and light and all sort of stuff because a film is very expensive and you cannot really afford to mess it up because if you mess up, there's no way to you can still buy a new film, but you won't be able to rewind the event that you missed. So, anyways, so doon nagsimula. And then I grew up, and then my first camera actually was the um T1 Rebel Canon. Yes, it's a DSLR. So I bought it around like 15,000, I think, second hand. It's pretty bad actually, kasi ang dami niya ng gas and all. Pero ganun talaga eh. You're just starting with in the um in the line, I mean in the hobby, 'di ba? So wala ka naman masyadong money, so might as well just deal with it. So yun, so I used it for a while and then nung nagkaroon ako ng konting ipon, then lumabas na yung nag-emerge na sa market yung tinatawag natin ng mga mirrorless, which is very compact. It has a replaceable or interchangeable lenses, which um which is very good. So I bought my M3, EOS M3, M series ng Canon pa rin. Kasi I like Canon. Kasi very maganda naman ng Canon. Ang ganda pa nung maganda siya sa portrait especially. So anyway, so yun nga. So I got it. Pero parang after using it for a while, sabi ko parang may hinahanap pa rin ako ng quality ng shots na parang ano mo yung parang ano ka, nostalgic, you feel. And then I saw one of my high school classmates posting on Instagram a picture. Sabi ko parang ito yung hinahanap ko, ganitong quality. And I know those pictures are I mean so means like straight out of camera. So sabi ko, parang gusto ko nun. So so then I asked her, sabi ko, anong camera yung ginamit mo? Sabi niya, Fujifilm X-A3. Parang gano'n yata. Oh wow, Fujifilm pala ganito. And then sabi ko, okay, ipon ako ulit. Ipon-ipon. Then I'm gonna buy I'll probably just try Fujifilm. So yun nga, dun nag-start naman na nag-enter ako sa Fujifilm. So so I started with X-T30. Binili ko siya actually in the middle of pandemic, or actually prior pandemic. Binili ko pa siya sa parang, siya sa store sa online store sa Instagram. So, it's very cheap kasi at that time hindi pa nag-price increase ang Fujifilm, eh. And then, actually parang after a year nag-increase siya ng around 10,000. So yun, so sabi ko, "Okey, ang ganda." And then I invested, a couple of lens. So one of them, is yung XF 50 millimeter, which is one of my top most favorite, focal length. So yun nga, so 50 mm. Sabi ko, "Ang ganda nito," kasi parang sobrang low light, pati yun yung appreciate mo sa Canon, eh, meron silang Nifty 50 na 1.8. Now it's just like worth a little less than 5,000. And then sabi ko, hinahanap ko rin yun sa Fuji and then I bought this 15 millimeter or this it's kinda 3 times more in the price or actually 4 times, I think. So sabi ko, "Okey." Pero just to satisfy, so as you can tell, 'di ba, ang dami ko ng nagastos. So yun nga, so binili ko yung lens. And then my first subject actually was one of my collections. So Justice ano, Man of Steel na action figure ni Henry Cavill na ah, Superman. So pinicturan ko yun. Sabi ko parang, "Okay, wow, ang ganda." As in napaka-nostalgic talaga yung feel na parang may something sa quality niya na parang ang smooth niya. Tapos parang ang lamig niya sa mata. which is yung parang hinahanap ko talaga sa quality ng mga shots. And then sabi ko, "Okay, I really like what I bought. I think it's worth it." And then nga tumagal na tumagal sabi ko, may hinahanap pa rin ako sa camera na hindi ko pa rin nasa-satisfy yung sarili ko from using yung 3 different cameras I already tried, right? I owned it. So, sabi ko, nagkaroon ng event sa Glorietta. Sabi ko, I'm gonna go there and kasi may mga free to try cameras sila. Sabi ko, so huwag niyo ako i-judge kasi ang dami ko talaga nagastos. So, pumunta ako sa Glorietta and then I tried the different cameras. And then napunta ako ulit sa Fujifilm. So nakita ko, sabi ko, X-T5. Sabi ko, wow, this is one, ito yung isa sa mga latest nila. Kasi I've heard a lot about X-T3 back then. And then X-T4. Sabi ko, I'm gonna try X-T5. Wow, sabi ko. The price tag actually is very pricey. So parang 4 times. I mean, twice as much as yung X-T30 ko naman when I bought it. So sabi ko, okay, pag-ipunan natin. So after a couple of months, sabi ko, okay, ito, nakabili na ako. So nakatipid ako kasi I only bought the body. I already have the lenses from the X-T30 that I own, which I eventually sold in the market naman for a very nice price. Kasi nga sabi ko, nung binili ko yun, wala pang price increase, hindi nagkaroon ng price increase. So parang tumubo pa nga ako ng konti. And then yun. And then, so yun, so when I sold it, saka ko naman binili yung uh, favorite lens ko now. One of the two favorites ko, three favorites actually, top favorites ko sa lenses. So I now have the X 50 millimeter. I also have the 70-300, which is the telephoto, and then the very pricey 16-55, which is very good. Um, ayun. So sa ngayon nag-explore ako sa photography. I've been joining different photo walks and some events. Although hindi naman ako magaling, at least you get to know a lot of people in those events. So that's what I do. Uh, Yun lang. That's the story. I hope I didn't get you bored that much. See you next time. Bye.